What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. So I just found out how to hit a player while still being invisible. So yes guys, this is not a joke. As you may know, I drank an invisibility potion and I'm invisible. But once I just hit him with my fist or sword or any close combat, I'm no longer invisible. So I think Arthur added that so that invisibility potions won't be that OP. So it's not the best, I don't like it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to hit a player while still being invisible. So first off, you wanna drink this invisibility potion. And then you wanna use any type of long range weapons. Projectiles, arrow, fireballs, slash, instant damage. As you can see, I'm hitting him while still being invisible. I'm in third person view. Just let me just eat another invisibility potion. Even ice balls work. Even instant damage potions work. Check this out. So any type of long range weapons will work. As you can see, my potion finished. Just make sure you always watch the counter of your potion, or else you will end up invisible. So yes, I'm not sure if it's a bug or if it's meant to be like that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. And actually we achieved 160 subscribers before New Year. I was hoping we would reach 150, but you guys clearly wanted to achieve this, and we arrived at 160. So thank you all very much, guys. I hope you have all a great year, and I'll see you in the next video.